Only administrators can access the detailed settings of a Blaze server. You can view and manage your server list from the server's menu in Settings. The General tab shows the selected server's IP address, port, and software version. If the system is connected to the cloud, you can also see its connection status here. Blaze enhances security by using an SSL certificate to encrypt communication between the client and server. You can check the certificate's status here. The Time tab allows you to synchronize your server's time with an NTP, Network Time Protocol server. Blaze supports synchronization with Windows or NIST NTP servers, which is the most accurate method for time setting. The Storage tab displays a list of HDDs connected to the server, including each disk's location, capacity, and status. The C drive is deactivated to prevent video recordings from being stored on the system disk.